Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm Metal Pink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that Europe's first spot Bitcoin ETF is listed now in Amsterdam. So this is actually great news for Europe. Then we have Binance to shut down the crypto payment service. And the third topic will be that Bitcoin has reached all-time high in Argentina at 10 million pesos, which shows how weak actually pesos is. So guys, all this in today's video, and don't forget, every single day I'm making you fresh content. So a couple of short videos and a longer video as well with some details. So if you would like to stay up to date, which I think it's crucial, then simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel, subscribe button all. That's the only thing you have to do, and then you will get the notifications as soon as the new video is out. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content. Don't miss that one. And now let's start today's episode. Well, and when we look at the market, we can see that Bitcoin is actually almost 1% down, but not a major move in the last 24 hours, which makes Bitcoin $29,089 at the moment. So Ethereum pretty much the same, 1% down, $1,820 when we're looking at the top gainers. Shai went up 27%. I don't even know that one too much. Torchain 3% and XDC Network 2.6%. So no big movers at all. I mean, you know, this is quite significant how it got into the top 79. But yeah, okay. And then we have here the losers: Terra Classic down 13%, ApeCoin 11%, Compound 11%. So now actually more alts going a bit more down here in the top 100 as well. Right, the Bitcoin candlestick chart on the daily. Well, a tiny little bit modified this trend line now because before it's supposed to be like this, because this is how it was before. And actually we can say that Bitcoin started to use this as kind of support. But actually this is maybe much better if we put it this way. Still, we going down in this channel, and now we are actually here at this 29,000-ish level. We did come down here at the beginning of 29,000. So yes, well, we're going to see what's going to happen. You know, a couple of theories we can have. We can look at you know, this massive head and shoulders. And if that happens, you know, we break this, that can actually bring price down much more. However, on the other hand, whoops, when we're looking at this longer trend line, which I showed you before, we can easily bounce from here as well. Sideways movements, you know, volatility has never been so low for Bitcoin, which means sooner or later a bigger breakout is coming. We do not know which direction, but still, you know, price volatility is like kind of nothing right now. Anyway, let's move on to the first topic, and the first topic is all about that Europe's first spot Bitcoin ETF is listed in Amsterdam. So the news are usually about the hopes in the US. Sooner or later, a Bitcoin spot ETF will be approved. But why they doing their thing? And, you know, it was just pushed again further out. ARCs, for example, spot Bitcoin ETF application, because there are a couple of deadlines still. So they have plenty of time. Anyway, in the meantime, we have Europe's first spot Bitcoin ETF lists in Amsterdam. So London-based Jacobi Asset Management has listed Europe's first spot Bitcoin ETF exchange traded fund on Euronext Amsterdam nearly 2 years after it was first approved. So the approval wasn't now. This was back in October 2021. And the plan was originally list this in last year. Was that? Yeah, in 2022. However, because of the circumstances we had in the crypto market last year, they postponed this decision, and they now did it. So Bitcoin ETF is regulated by GFCS and will trade it under the ticker Bcoin. Custody for the fund is provided by Fidelity Digital Assets. So when we're looking at the big picture, we have now Europe's first Bitcoin spot ETF. We have a spot Bitcoin ETF in Canada, in Australia, in Dubai, in Brazil. I hope this is the list and I got it right. Anyway, bottom line is that it shows that all around the world is just happening, and which means that sooner or later it's going to come into the United States as well. And Bitcoin doesn't really need Bitcoin spot ETF in the US. It's going to function without it as well, but it will be a catalyst for sure if that's happening. Okay, second topic. The second topic, it's all about that Binance shut down crypto payment service. And actually, it's happening today. So Bitcoin, Binance shut down crypto payment service now. The service was rolled out, in March last year in an effort to make traditional financial companies crypto ready, so they can, get into crypto in a way with this service. Buy and sell service Binance Connect, which was formerly known as Bifinity. It's going to stop today on the 16th of August, and the crypto exchange wants to refocus on its main products and long-term goals. This was the reason they said that they do not continue with this one. Anyway, so this is something which also happening today. Right, and the last topic for today is Bitcoin has reached all-time high, but where? In Argentina, and it is because pesos became extremely weak. Okay, so we have a Bitcoin all-time high, but in Argentinian pesos in Argentina, which means that recently pesos became extremely weak, because we do know Bitcoin all-time high in US dollar, 69,000 US dollar, and right now we just under 30,000, so not even close. However, in Argentina, we experiencing right now all-time highs, as Bitcoin is now above 10 million Argentinian pesos, as you can see. It shows how much the pesos got weaker and weaker here recently. It shows clearly. And it also shows that how good Bitcoin could be against inflation, especially in countries where there is, hyperinflation, big inflation. Everywhere around the world is now inflation, and not a small one. But in countries like Argentina, it can see, this shows that if you keep it rather in Bitcoin, not financial wise, just like talking about ideas here, then you can see how much better you do. Even that Bitcoin is now done, but we do know that sooner or later the bull market will come, and then this will change again everything. But after bull market comes another bear market. Nobody should forget about that as well. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every single day I'm making you these videos, short videos, longer videos. Anyway, the topic is always crypto, Bitcoin, blockchain, economy. So if you like these kind of things, if you would like to stay up to date because you're getting these videos every single day, and a couple of them, then simply subscribe to this YouTube channel, Blockchain Bloom, and then you won't miss a single thing. And if you like this kind of content what I'm creating, then hit the like button as well. See you in the next one. Have a good one. Bye-bye.